Hey guys, welcome back to WHIST.com. This is Noah, the founder and CEO. So I have started a playlist in which I will be trying to teach you how you can start your own successful web hosting business. So let's see how you can follow up this procedure. And in today's video, we are going to see how you can install WHMCS manually on your server, okay, or your web hosting. The procedure. And in today's video, we are going to see how you can do this procedure and the process on the cPanel. If you are going to follow this process on any other control panel like direct admin or any custom panel, the process will be same because this is not at all a complex process. Before getting started, I just want to walk you through with our reseller hosting services. If you go for our reseller hosting, we are starting and just if you scroll down, we are starting at just $4.99 per month. We are offering 50 client account, unlimited NVMe, 4 GB of RAM, unlimited email accounts. Inodes are unlimited. Like suppose if you go for any other web hosting provider, they are not offering unlimited inodes, and 4 GB RAM is also an add-on at HOYIST.com. If you go for any other web hosting provider, they are not offering 4 GB RAM. Okay. Then next is we are offering 3-month discount on 2 or 3 year purchase. If you go for 2 or 3 year billing, your 3 months will be free of cost. Okay. Like suppose you will get an extra 3-month discount. Okay. Next we are offering free domain name. And if you go for next our reseller hosting, we are offering free WordPress manager, free website builder, free cPanel Lightspeed is also free, email filtering, SSL certificate, auto SSL, and all SSL certificates are free. Okay. We offer free malware protection. We offer free website migration. If you have hosted you are hosted already at any other reseller hosting provider and you want to migrate at HOYIST.com, you can just open a customer support ticket with us after purchasing the plan, and we will migrate your whole reseller hosting accounts. Okay, as per our terms and conditions. Next is we are offering optimized WooCommerce. Now this is a feature at HOYIST.com that 99.99% reseller hosting provider don't offer. Okay, we offer free WP toolkit and our servers are completely optimized. Like if you want to offer your client subcategory web hosting such as WordPress hosting, WooCommerce hosting, you can offer them with the WP toolkit add-on. Like if you go for any other reseller hosting provider, for example, Namecheap, if you go for WordPress, if you go for Name Hero, ChemiCloud, or any other reseller hosting provider, they don't offer WP add-on, WP toolkit add-on. Okay, if still they are offering it as an add-on, and they charge about $5 to $9 per month to add this add-on into your reseller hosting. Okay. Next is we offer developer-friendly reseller hosting like SSH access is enabled, Git support, Bash, Terminal, Laravel, Ruby, Python, Node.js, Django, MongoDB. Like if you and on-demand backups is another feature at HOYIST.com. If you go for any other reseller hosting product, on-demand backups are not available. 99% of web hosting product don't do offer on-demand backups, but we offer on-demand backups as per our terms and condition. You have to follow just them. Okay. Next, we offer resources usage, the report, Ruby version selector, PHP workers, which are cron jobs. They are available and unlimited. Okay. Next is 99.9% uptime, multiple PHP versions, auto SSL certificates, 24/7 server monitoring. Like these features are not available at HOYIST any other reseller hosting product, but at HOYIST we are offering this feature as a free feature. Okay. This is a guarantee. If you go for any other reseller or similar, they are not offering. A few are offering, but they are offering this as an paid add-on. Okay, like if you want to offer your client Node.js web hosting is separate category like Node.js hosting, Ruby hosting, Python hosting. If you scroll down with to our my menu in our to the footer menu, you can see here we are offering also subcategorized web hosting. The internet reseller web hosting is another web hosting. Radio hosting is another hosting type or category. If you want to purchase those, we do offer internet reseller hosting, but for right now we are on let's come to our point. Next is we offer a reseller hosting advanced plan at just $10 with 200 client account. Agency and business plan come with limited client account, and agency plan come with the 500 client account. Now we are offering 4 GB of RAM and free domain name. Now this is a guarantee. If you go for any other web hosting, they will not offer you free domain name with this pricing structure. And if you go for monthly basis, still I'm saying their pricing will be double. Like they will be offering 20 to $30 per month on a monthly basis. Okay, but if you go for HOYIST.com with monthly basis, your domain, your billing will be same. And if you go for yearly or 2 or 3 year billing, system, your domain name will be free. Okay, so I would suggest you to look our, check our reseller hosting plan. If you haven't choose any other reseller hosting product, and if you choose and you are stuck with that reseller hosting product and you want to migrate, just visit our website and you can open customer support ticket. And right now we have a WhatsApp customer support also available. on, you can use this icon to, access our WhatsApp support. Maybe this customer support, come to an end within a month, 2 months, or 3. I don't know. But right now we have free WhatsApp support, customer support available. Okay. So let's get started with our video's topic. Now the first step is we are logged into our client at HOYIST.com. Let's log in into our cPanel. Now guys, we are going to, in today's video, we are going to see how you can install it on the WHMCS on the primary video. If you want to install WHMCS on your subdirectory or subfolder or subfolder or on your subdomain name, the procedure will completely be same. So let's see how you can do it. Now my suggestion from my side would be, if you are going to install WHMCS in subdirectory, don't go ahead, because there may be some security issues if you are using WP Toolkit or any other. Like if you're using WordPress is actually not at all strong. WordPress is not at all so strong for their privacy protection and all those things. So I will suggest you to go ahead and installing your WHMCS in a subdomain name instead of installing in subdirectory. Installing in subdirectory is not an issue, but if you will install in subdirectory, you wouldn't be able to protect your WHMCS. If you will install WHMCS in subdomain name, you can use Cloudflare to protect your domain or every single thing you can follow. Okay, so instead of installing subdirectory, go ahead and installing your, in subdomain name. But for today's video, we are going to install in the primary domain name. Let's see how you can do it. Let's log in into our HOYIST.com, HOYIST.xyz. Now this is the domain name right now. It's clear. I have uploaded the file right now. Now first thing you have to do is to go to your file manager. And one more thing I want to add here. I've already, set up this thing, but still, if you haven't set this up, go to the setting on the top bar and just enable the show hidden file and disable character encoding verification dialogues. It would be better if you will do it, and you would be able to continue it easily in the web hosting business. So make sure to check this option. If you will uncheck this option, like let's suppose I will uncheck this option, almost all directory those are actually important are hidden right now. So make sure to check this option. Next is we are going to install the primary domain name. So we are going to the public HTML section. Okay. The next is you have to click on just upload button, and you just have to select the WHMCS file here and upload it. Now, if you don't know where to find WHMCS version, which is, GPL or any version, I don't know where to find, but still I would suggest you to go ahead on the internet and search about it, and maybe possible that you will find it. But right now, this is the official version of WHMCS. So we are going to install this. Okay. You only need to upload WHMCS file here in the zip format. Like suppose I do have a file, but I have already uploaded this file on my cPanel. You just need to upload the file on the cPanel in zip format. Make sure to go for zip format, not RAR or any extension. Go ahead for zip folder. Okay. Now let's come back. Now here is my WHMCS file. You just need to click on extract file here. Now basically this is a simple cPanel file extractor. Now it's extracting the archive. Now we are on the primary folder. Now if you want to install on the subdirectory, you can go ahead, but I'm not going to follow this step. If you are a beginner, don't read the primary folder, don't delete the folder you are going to upload, because I guarantee you guys, you are going to install more than 5 to 10 times when you are starting a hosting company. Okay, this is a guarantee. Maybe possible that you wouldn't, but 99% I saw people facing issues, and I also face issues when I started I installed WHMCS is starting to understand how it works. So go ahead and delete this folder if you are experienced. If you are not, don't delete it. Okay. The next is we are going to move this into our primary folder, which is public directory. Let's go for public.html, public_html, and this folder is now of no use case right now. Okay. Now let's see how you can install. Now on your primary domain name or the domain name, like if you have installed a subdomain name, like its subdomain name is dashboard. Okay. You just need to search here dashboard. But for right now, we are installed on the primary domain name. So let's go for the primary domain name. Now, before installing WHMCS, I will suggest you to install SSL certificate. That would be better. If you would not, there will be no issue. Okay, let's see. Click here to begin. Welcome to WHMCS. Before your journey begins using WHMCS, you need to perform the installation process. Just click here to begin. Okay. Next is the license agreement from WHMCS. Make sure to delete this agreement. Now click agree button. I agree. Now the next is begin installation. Okay. Make sure to check these options. If there is any issue, go ahead in your public IRI folder mostly, and in your web hosting, and check these options enable, so there would not be an issue. Okay. Next is begin installation. Now here is a begin installation folder. You have to provide here a license key, here the database username, here the database password, here the database name. So let's see how you can create a database. Okay. Now let's log in into our primary database folder. You can use database wizard to process, go through this step. But for now, in today's video, I'm going to, continue on the manage my databases section, because this would be better if you will continue from here. You need to provide here the database name you are going to create. For right now, I'm going for demo one. Let's click on create. Our database is now created. Now let's get back. Here you need to, create a user. Now make sure to create a username with different name. Like, don't go ahead and using same username like I'm using right now. Using a different username would be, good for your website security, WHMCS security, and you would be able to, memorize your WHMCS. Like, you can use here demo with the same database, and then you can give it a user. Okay, so you could, find that it's a username in your configuration files. Okay, the next is you have to provide here the password. Okay, so I'm going to generate the password here by using the password generator. Click on I have copied the password in a safe place and then use it. Okay, now create the, let's again, use it, because generate password and use it and copy it. Okay, now create the user here. Click on the create user. Your user is now created. Let's go back. Now at this page, now in case if you forgot your user password, you can just click on this option, change password, and add this interface. You can change the database password. Okay, let's get back, and you have to add the database to the user. So if you have multiple databases, select the user from here and database from here, and just click on add. Now you have to allow all the privileges to your user to access your database. Don't worry guys, this is actually not going to cause an issue. I told you this option here that this is not going to cause issue, because when I started installing the WHMCS for the first time, I was actually thinking about that this might be going to cause an issue, because I'm going to allow privileges to a user. So this is not going to cause an issue. So let's log in, make changes. Now let's provide the details to log in at our provide the database details. Now here you have to provide the user which is user. This is the user. Okay, you have to provide here the username with your cPanel username. Like for right now, for my website, it's hoyist.com/xyz. Okay, this is basically my username. Username of cPanel. You have to provide it. Then underscore will be the separation of the cPanel. Okay, separation of cPanel username, and after the username, the name of your username or database. Okay, this is the basically username. Let's paste it down here. My database name is same, so I'm going to use it. Using same database will not cause an issue, but I will suggest you to go ahead and use different username. Okay. Now the next is I actually forgot the password, because I didn't actually save it at a place. Now let's give the password again and change it down. Now our password is changed. Let's go back, and we have to provide the password. Here you have to provide the license key. So let's continue with the button. Now guys, our WHMCS basic version is basically installed. The next is setting up the admin account. Okay, so you have to set this up. Let's go for my first name, then second name. You have to provide a second or last name. Then you have to provide your email address here. So I'm going for test11, because email@gmail.com is not owned by me. Okay, let's go for test@gmail. Now make sure to use your Gmail account here. In case you are not using your Gmail or email, Hotmail or any email, it may be going to cause an issue to you. So make sure to use here your primary account, because your all updates for WHMCS, every single crawl jobs, every single orders, domain search and cron jobs, affiliate reports, everything will be sent to you. Failed admin attempt. If somebody is trying to hack your WHMCS and log into your primary admin area, you will be get notified. So make sure to use your Gmail here. That would be better option. Okay. Next here is to provide you username for your installation. This is the primary username. So make sure to use a strong username here, and the username should be rememberable for you. Okay. The next is you have to use a password. Again, password should be at least 5 character long. You have to use at least 5 character in your password. The next is you have to confirm the password. Again, pass. So I'm using just PASS pass1, but don't use this. Use a strong password. Okay. And same for the admin. You can use any name like any you want. Okay. But I'm not gonna do it. Let's continue complete our setup. Now basically our WHMCS is installed in our cPanel on our domain name, but the next is setting up cron job. Now guys, leave this option as it is. Don't check this option if you are beginner. I will create a complete whole video in which we will see how you can set up cron jobs. Okay, there is no use case because cron job is a complete 30 to 50 minute topic that I will discuss in a video. So don't go ahead and check this option. Okay, now if you will not the next option that we are going to face an issue right now. If you are beginner, you are going to face an issue. Go to admin area. When you will click it, this will provide us a prompt which is security warning. Okay, basically we have to delete the installation folder in our directory. We have to delete this folder which is install folder. Okay, so delete this installation folder which is the primary folder. Make sure to reload it once because maybe there is some file that may cause an issue. Go ahead and just click and skip the trash and permanently delete this file. If you will uncheck this option, this file will be sent to trash and there is no use case of file right now. Next, okay, so check this option and confirm it. And when we actually we will reload it, we are on the direct admin our WHMCS admin page. Now if you are not able to find your WHMCS main directly as a new installation, just go ahead on the installation domain and just pay after slash provide just enter admin. Okay, then just click press enter and you are on the admin page. Okay, now we are going to change the configuration. We will change how this URL direct normal user because username, because this may be going to cause an issue for the security purpose. We will change this username different like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and anyone you want to. Okay, and we will change this path also. Okay, now let's log into our WHMCS. Remember let's log. Now I'm going to actually save my password because this is very useful for. Now guys, this is how our WHMCS will look like. This is the basic setup wizard. If you want to set this up, in case you miss this, let's suppose you miss this, okay, how you can get this option back? You can just go to this icon here and just just click on it, this option. You can just hover on this option and on this option you can just click setup wizard. Okay, now this is how our WHMCS will look now. Okay, now if you want to use their promotion, you can go ahead there. I don't know what actually this option is, so don't check this option. This is basically a promotion from WebPros. WHMCS is owned by WebPros. This is a company. I don't know where it actually is based, but WHMCS is not owned by one company. There is a primary company owning different products like cPanel. I don't know what they are owning. According to me, the most of the web internet hosting is based on there on a one company. Okay. Now the next is you just need to click on the next option. Here you have to provide the details of the company. Now for right now there will be only a default setting like company name. From when you will continue for the first time, there will be a simple now guys when you will continue for the first your setting will be like simple, like there will be a name, company name or anything like this. You have to provide here your company name. I'm going to paste this name, HOYIST.xyz. Next, you have to choose a logo. I will suggest you to upload your logo right now at here. Okay. The next is we are going to see how you can, you have to provide your email here. Now I'm going to use your mail. As I told you, I'm going to use a test email. Okay, because it's important. It's very important. Now the next is you have to choose your country. So I will leave it as United States. If you are from any other country, you can choose it, but it's not recommended. Okay, the next is WHMCS system URL. If you want to change it, you can change it, but leave it as it is. Click on next option. The next is you have to choose here PayPal or mail-in payments. Okay, so I'm not going to use it again. Just click on next. Here is the domain name. Now this is basically a promotion from Enome. Enome is next. You have to provide your server here. If you are going to add a server here, now we will create a complete video on this. This is again going to be a big topic. I will be creating a complete course on complete video on this course, which will be 20 or 30 minutes explaining what are servers, how you can use to connect them. Okay, connect them. The server dependent upon you. Okay, now just click on this skip step and just then the next is market connect. You can use market connect to continue, but I will not for this video. I will not continue for the market connect option because market connect is not at all good option for beginners. Okay, but still in this course I will follow along this step and we will follow how you can continue with the market connect. Now let's continue for the next. Now our setup is completed, finished. This is how our WHMCS will first time will look like. Now guys, I'm going to create a complete course for WHMCS and we will see every single thing. Like maybe there are few topics that are not discussed on YouTube or any course in the world, or any blog post is not created on how you can set up CAPTCHA, and all those things. I will discuss I will make at least 1 hour video. There will be at least a 1 hour topic in which we will explore only general setting, because general setting is a very big topic for you, and this is a primary section where you are going to get your sales and your manage your sales, and everything will be managed here. Okay, the primary section for WHMCS is this. So let's see how you can set this option in the next videos. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like anything for watching in this video, go ahead and like and subscribe, because I try my best to create such a videos, and maybe in future I will be trying to create, after this course, maybe in future I will be trying to create more videos. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Take care.